Okay, there are three basic components to the Haskona PI booth. The fold-up table, the tabletop stand, and the large box with all the component parts for the canopy in it. We'll set up the table first, then we'll put the box on it and get into the contents of the box.
This requires a 6-foot table or the tablecloth won't fit.
The component parts to the canopy, the table skirt, the banner are all in this box.
Inside the box.
Table skirt that the banner goes on, I'll set it off to the side. It goes on almost next to last. This is the banner that velcros onto the table skirt. These are the side panels for the canopy in this container. And these are the component parts for the canopy. These are the flexible supports for the canopy side panels, and these are the bases for the flexible supports. We're opening the container with the main banner supports.
The banner rolls up onto this plastic tube, which contains
The cross supports for the banner. Next come the side panels for the main canopy. They're contained in here so they don't get all wrinkled. These are the support bases for the flexible rods for the side panel. Parts in the pouch on the outside of that. This is the way they go together. It doesn't matter which one goes on which side. The part with the nut goes on the bottom because that's the easiest way to get it screwed together. Flexible support rods for the side panels on the banner, and the bungee cords are also in here.
how many of them?
There are 3 for each side and 1 bungee cord. We'll start assembling the main canopy. 3 of these for each side.
How do they go together?
They just connect like tent poles. There's only one way they can go together and stay together. As you can see, you need a little room to accommodate this thing while you're assembling it. Zippers are on here determines it. Yeah.
Okay, so what do? You zip them onto the...
Correct. They connect with the zipper.
I thought the canopy was backwards, but it's not.
No, it comes up over the top and comes down that way. So you zip the side panels on into the sleeve on the side panel.
Starting with the small part of the panel.
If it comes apart, you might have to go back in. It takes a little force to push it around the curve.
What do you do with the bungee cords?
Temporarily hook the bungee cord to the bottom of the flexible rod, because that holds tension on it, and it goes in there, Gary. Just lay that down. There you go.
Okay, what is that, Jerry?
One of the cross support rods.
So they go straight in.
Yeah, they go straight in.
Ready for stand-up. That's what takes 2 people, I'll bet you.
Yeah. Now we pull pull the bungee out, stick it on the upright dowel, and put the bungee in the hole on the cross piece. Okay. And that's the way the back canopy goes together. See, it's the same 6 foot as the table, but it's 9 foot tall, so you have to determine beforehand where you're setting up to see if you have enough height. If you don't
use it.
Don't use the canopy part. This is the table skirt. The Velcro strip, the long Velcro strip, goes across the front edge. The strip is what the banner attaches to. But the table skirt is set up for a 3 foot by 6 foot table. It won't work on an 8 foot table. This is the tabletop trifold. A part
That does.
that will Velcro to the 2 tabs on the table. And then it fits through the slot. And Velcros to the
What is the purpose of that bar?
It's a back stop for the back part of the trifold. These curl around, and there are Velcro tabs on the back part of the wing, and they make a column at the corner to help it stand up straight. There's a small aluminum Velcro strip that goes across the top of the back to give the top a little rigidity. This is the table banner. It's kept rolled up around that in that sleeve so it doesn't get wrinkled up. Here.
This attaches to
Yeah.
the Velcro, Jerry?
Yeah.
That looks centered.
Yeah,
Well,
Marlon.
and then if we have literature, the literature can go on the table in front of the trifold. Careful when you're packing it away to take this banner off and put it in here in such a way that it won't get folded and get a crease in it. We've already had to replace it once.
Undo it the same way you do it.
Right.
All those Velcro strips Jerry took off at the beginning need to go back on when you're done.
Yes.